These intakes are completely clogged with rust and debris. Starting the clean now. It's coming off. Almost there. These intakes are completely clogged with rust and debris. Starting the clean now. It's coming off. Almost there. This Ferrari's carbon fiber edges are completely exposed. The rust is deep and the weave is packed with dust. Look at the embedded particles, a real challenge. This Ferrari is in rough shape, dust and rust everywhere. Let's see if the electronics still work. The battery might be dead. I'll check the connections. Look at this stitching. Perfect, despite all the rust. The leather's dirty, but the fabric inserts held up well. This level of detail is why Ferraris last. Wow, this Ferrari's pedal box is really rusted. Look at the light corrosion here on the pedals. Definitely needs a full clean and rebuild. Latches are free. Ready to lift. Wow, this SF90 is really caked in grime. Hybrid system looks intact but dusty. Let me check these connections. Rust is everywhere, but it should hold. Alright, this part is secure. Moving on.
腐蚀太严重了，得先检查这个混合动力模块。连接器松动了，我来拧紧它。好了，可以继续检查其他线束了。
This seat bolt is a real challenge. Applying steady pressure now. Skidding way, slowly. Almost there, just a bit more. This seat bolt is a real challenge. Applying steady pressure now. Skidding way, slowly. Almost there, just a bit more.
这里有严重的积碳和油泥，需要彻底清洗。这里有严重的积碳和油泥，需要彻底清洗。
Wow, this Ferrari's underbody is a mess. Heavy rust everywhere. Let's see if we can get this bolt loose. This whole suspension needs a full rebuild. It's shot. These aerodynamic tunnels are completely clogged with dust and rust. The flow must be severely disrupted. I'll clear this section. Better, but a full clean is needed for optimal downforce. This SF90 has a wide suspension setup. It's extremely rusted and dirty. From this low angle, you can see the geometry of the control arms. The joints are worn, but the structure is still solid. This SF90 has a wide suspension setup. It's extremely rusted and dirty. From this low angle, you can see the geometry of the control arms. The joints are worn, but the structure is still solid. These lug nuts are really stuck. Almost there. Come on. There we go. Panel fit, checking tolerances. Alignment is tight, almost there. Okay, starting the brake refit. This rotor is caked in rust, aligning the new pads. They need to seat perfectly. Torque spec is critical, tightening it down. Refit complete, looks solid. All right, let's get this wheel back on. There, that should hold. Next one. 调整前悬架，降低车身高度。有点生锈了，慢慢来。好了，悬架沉下去了。Stitching looks much better now. Wow, this underbody is heavily corroded. This whole section needs replacement. These pedals are filthy. Let's get them polished up. Almost there. Look at that shine. Let's get this beast running. There we go. Screens are live.
“方向盘终于正了。好了，完美对齐。
Panel fit, checking tolerances. Alignment is tight, almost there. This diffuser needs serious work. Almost there. Hybrid components fully cleaned and seated. Precise alignment confirmed. Engine start prep complete. Systems check. Ignition sequence armed. Engine start prep complete. Systems check. Ignition sequence armed. System boot initiated. All systems awakening smoothly. Let's clean this dirty exhaust. The clean metal shines through. Engine start prep complete. Systems check. Ignition sequence armed. The weave on this Ferrari is flawless. Every strand is perfectly aligned. Calipers are perfectly aligned, no issues here. Brake discs are perfectly still, showing no wear. The weave on this Ferrari is flawless. Every strand is perfectly aligned. 前脸清洁完成，光泽度完美。